Matutong magmultiply ng any two-digit numbers gamit ang trick na ito. Let's have our first example. 21 times 31. Para sa first digit ng ating sagot, i-multiply natin ang mga first digits. That is, 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Para sa last digit ng ating sagot, we multiply the last digits. That is, 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. For the middle digit, we add the product of the outer digits and the product of the inner digits. Ang product ng outer digits, that is 2 times 1, is equal to 2. Ang product ng inner digits, that is 1 times 3, is equal to 3. Then we add 2 and 3, which is equal to 5. Hence, 21 times 31 is equal to 651. Let's have a more challenging example. 43 times 64. Para sa first digit ng ating sagat, we multiply the first digits, that is 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. Para sa last digit ng ating sagat, we multiply the last digits. That is 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. Since meron lang tayong isang space for the last digit, we write 2 and carry 1. Para sa middle digit, we add the product of the outer digits and inner digits. Ang product ng outer digits, that is 4 times 4, is equal to 16. Ang product ng inner digits, that is 3 times 6, is equal to 18. So, 16 plus 18 is equal to 34. Since may isang space lang tayo in the middle, we write 4 and carry 3. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 3 plus 24 is equal to 27. Hence, 43 times 64 is equal to 2,752.